Most people think the rich are rich because they know some secret investment or have insider access. But the truth is, one of the biggest differences between the rich and everyone else is that they automate their money. They don't rely on willpower. They don't leave their finances to chance. They set systems in place that run on autopilot, making them richer while they sleep. Automation is the ultimate financial hack. Because humans are emotional. We get lazy, we procrastinate, we spend when we shouldn't. But when you automate your finances, you remove the need for discipline. The system works whether you feel motivated or not. The rich know this. They know that wealth is not built by random decisions. It is built by consistent, repeated actions that compound over time. And automation ensures that those actions happen without you having to think about them. So, how exactly do the rich automate their finances? Let's break it down step by step. The first thing the rich automate is savings. Instead of waiting to see what is left at the end of the month, they pay themselves first. The moment money comes in, a portion of it automatically moves into savings or investments. This ensures they always grow wealth instead of hoping there is something left over. You can do the same. Set up your bank to automatically transfer a percentage of your paycheck into a high-yield savings account or brokerage account. Even if it's just 10 or 20%, over time it adds up. The key is consistency, not perfection. The second thing the rich automate is investing. They don't try to time the market every day. They don't sit in front of a screen making random trades. Instead, they use automation to build wealth steadily. Automatic contributions to index funds, retirement accounts, or dividend stocks happen without fail. Month after month, year after year. This is called dollar cost averaging. It removes the emotion from investing and ensures you are always building wealth no matter what the market is doing. Think about it. If you had to manually log in every month and move money into investments, would you really do it? Maybe for the first few months. But eventually, life gets busy, and you forget. That's why the rich don't rely on memory or motivation. They set it once and let the system work for them. The third thing the rich automate is bill payments. They don't waste mental energy remembering due dates or risk late fees. Their mortgages, utilities, insurance, and subscriptions are all set on autopay. This eliminates stress and protects their credit score. You can do the same with your bank's bill pay system or directly with service providers. When everything is automated, you never miss a payment and you free up brain power for bigger decisions. The fourth thing the rich automate is credit card payments. They use credit cards strategically for rewards, but they never pay interest. Because their cards are set to pay the balance in full automatically each month. This way, they get all the benefits without any of the debt traps. The fifth thing the rich automate is emergency fund contributions. They know life is unpredictable. Cars break down, jobs get lost, medical bills show up. But instead of stressing when something happens, they are prepared. Because a small automatic transfer builds their emergency fund over time without them even noticing. The sixth thing the rich automate is tax planning. Most people dread tax season because they scramble at the last minute. But the rich automate tax savings throughout the year. They contribute automatically to retirement accounts, HSAs, or other tax-advantaged vehicles. This lowers their taxable income and saves them thousands every year. They also use automation tools and accountants to make sure quarterly estimates are paid on time. This way, there are no surprises in April. The seventh thing the rich automate is debt payoff. When they have loans, they do not rely on manual payments. They set up recurring payments that chip away at debt month after month. Some even automate extra payments on top of the minimums to pay it off faster. This ensures progress, even when motivation fades. The eighth thing the rich automate is charity and giving. Many wealthy people believe in giving back. But instead of waiting until the end of the year to see what is left, they automate it. This way, generosity is built into their system, not an afterthought. The ninth thing the rich automate is budgeting. Now here's the truth. Many of them don't budget in the traditional sense. They don't track every single dollar by hand. Instead, they automate categories. Money flows into different accounts for spending, saving, investing, and fun. This creates boundaries automatically without needing to micromanage. For example, they may have one account just for bills, another for investments, and another for guilt-free spending. When the money in the fun account runs out, that's it. No spreadsheets needed. The system does the work. The 10th thing. The rich automate is wealth protection. Insurance, estate planning, and trusts are all automated so wealth is protected across generations. They don't wait until disaster strikes. They set up systems that automatically safeguard their money and families. But here's the real secret. Automation isn't just about convenience. It's about discipline without effort. Because most people fail financially, not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't consistently do it. Automation removes that problem. Imagine this. Your paycheck comes in. Immediately, money flows into your savings, investments, debt payments, and bills. Whatever is left is yours to spend guilt-free. No stress, no confusion, no late fees, no missed opportunities. That's how the rich structure their finances. And the beauty is, you don't have to be rich to start. You can set up automation today with whatever money you have. Because the system scales. Whether you're earning $2,000 a month or $20,000 a month, automation ensures you're always moving toward wealth. Automation also gives you peace of mind. Instead of worrying if you saved enough or if you will miss a payment, you know the system has your back. This lowers financial stress and frees up mental energy for things that actually matter. And let's not forget the power of compounding. Automation ensures you are consistently investing. And consistent investing is what creates exponential growth over time. This is why the rich get richer, they don't stop the flow. They keep the machine running day after day, year after year. Now, some people worry about losing control with automation. But in reality, you are gaining control. Because you are designing the system once, and then it works for you. You're still in charge. You're just not wasting time on repetitive tasks. Think about this. Would you rather manually water your plants every day or set up an irrigation system that does it for you? Would you rather manually pay 20 bills each month or let automation handle it while you focus on bigger goals? The rich understand this. That's why their money grows without constant attention. So here's the challenge. Take a look at your finances and ask, what can I automate today? Can I automate my savings transfer? Can I automate my investment contributions? Can I set autopay for my bills and cards? Can I create separate accounts for different goals? The sooner you automate, the sooner you take control. Because here's the ultimate truth. Wealth is not built on motivation. It's built on systems. And the better your systems, the easier it becomes to get rich. So if you want to manage your money like the wealthy, stop relying on memory, discipline, and willpower. Set up the system once. Automate your finances. And let your money work for you like it does for the rich.